Dearly beloved, I am gathered here today to show you what sugar can do for you. Guitar edition.
Process.audio.
I have here a bunch of guitar examples. This first one was recorded with a Royer 121 and it sounds like this. And it sounds great. However, it's lacking a little bit of that bite and it will not cut through. So let's change that. Bite. I don't like that super bottom thing. Check out what the drive is doing to the thing, and then also, of course, the two sugar bands. And by the way, this is what it sounds like with just the effect. Simple, easy, rapid. Those check thing are in a lot of music, and they're often really hard to get right because it's difficult to figure out ahead of time what the rest of the mix is going to be like and to get that tone straight from the amp. And often you end up with something like this. Let me give it a little more level. It's cool, but it's a little weak. So let's, you know, pour some sugar on it. So what I'm hearing is first I need some drive. And then I need some serious body. Without. Then I'm going to get rid of the super bottom. Which for a guitar can be pretty high. We started here. With. By the way, if I want to switch styles, I can not use the drive but the distort. Or if I'm feeling upset, I can use crush. But clearly, drive is the vibe. So this is nice. Should you need to distort something, you can hear already what it should sound like. Well, I can. Maybe we hear the same thing. Let's see. Here, I'm just gonna not even negotiate. I'm gonna go straight for the. One more time. And I think it would benefit from a little bit of this. Add a little echo to it. Let's use something from our friends at Soundtoys because they're awesome people and they make great gear. Like a Coronel, let's get the tempo down. And so we started here. Now we're here. And then say you're into heavy guitars. I'm not getting the presence and I'm not getting the energy from it. So check this out. I think that if we saturate a little bit, that may be a little bit much on the high end now that I have the saturation. Notice that I lowered the output so that we don't get fooled by the level too much in this particular case. This is where we started. Probably would benefit from getting rid of that thing at the very bottom. It's nice. Do try this at home. Et voilà. Process.audio.